So from what I can tell, this hasn't really been publicized, but Notion has released rollups for the tabs feature in layouts. So now you can actually filter from the page itself with rollups. There are some quirks about it that make it seem like it's not working, but let me show you how you would do a rollup in Notion. So I have a few databases here. I don't know if I've actually set it up for the folder side yet, at least for this one. This is a new template I'm working on right now. And yep, this is a good one and a good example because I haven't really done this part of the actions. So let me go ahead and do some firming up with the properties and show you what I would do with the rollups. So to give one example, let's go ahead and make a new rollup, which I just press plus and then searched up rollup. And let's do it where writing logs and folder. So I made a brand new rollup, and just to be sure I know which one it is, log, folder, roll. So I can double check I'm gonna find the right one. Gonna hide that for now. Now, when I click on this and I click on filter, I'm gonna find that quickly. Notice it doesn't pop up here. It won't pop up in the regular filtering system. You have to click here, click on add advanced, and then we're gonna add this to advanced. And then it pops up here. Remember, in this case, it says and still. You can change this to or. I prefer to click here, turn into group, add filter, and then find the folder again. And then there it goes. And it means anything that's related directly to the folder is going to appear here. But let's say I go and I have one of these writing logs here. I'm going to make a new writing log, open it up. I'm going to make a brand new action in here. We'll make the action called develop para system. So I'm guessing now, if I click on actions, there it is. And just to show, the writing log's there, but the folder isn't associated with this. That's where the benefit comes from. If I wanted to later, I could actually still add this in manually, but it helps me reduce that strain, which is very helpful and very nice. The one catch is if I don't want that to be here, but I still want it to be associated with this log, then I would need to do something like make a new relation. Remove from folder. But let's go back to actions. And then we'll put remove from folder here. And then we'll also do this for filtering. We're going to say, and remove from folder does not contain this page. So now we can, for that one, when we click there, it's removed. But that'll about do it for this video. If you want to know more about Notion and learn more about the inner workings of it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.